Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your First Horizon Bank's online banking account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, type in firsthorizon.com. And once you're in this website, tap on the login option on the top right corner of the screen. And now you can choose whether you want to log into a digital banking account, wealth management system, mortgage, online brokerage account access, PayPal employee login, commercial safekeeping, FX digital advisor or trust services. For now, since we are going to log into our online banking account, we'll choose the option digital banking. Now enter your user ID. After that, enter your password, and once you tap log into my account, you'll be successfully logged into your First Horizon Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.